Now, according to the Bihar government, 83 people were killed in 24 districts due to lightning yesterday. Another 24 people were killed due to lightning in Uttar Pradesh. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has announced compensation of 4 lakh each to the families. The Prime Minister also expressed condolences. Well, let's go across to Manish for more on this. Manish, 83 is a huge number. Do we have more details now on exactly how this happened?
Gargi, this is, I think, the highest number in one single day. Within 4 hours, all these casualties have taken place between 5 o'clock in the morning, between 9 in the morning. And according to the state government, most of the people who died, they were out working in the field because it's sowing season has already started. And for this Kharif crop, people were, most of them are laborers or farmers who were working out in the field, because now the state government is saying that there was more severe lightning in the month of May, but because of the lockdown and there was no crop in the field, so the casualty at that time was below 10. But this time, despite the warning, even though there was a warning from the weather department, but people just venture out because it was raining. They thought that it's time to inspect their fields. Some were already sowing in the field. Then this lightning struck them and they just lost their life there. Gargi.
Right, Manish, absolutely bizarre. And, even if it is raining or if it's storming, you don't expect that lightning could kill so many people. And across 24 districts, people have died. Is the state government now thinking of, any sort of measures, awareness, anything they can do to warn people about this?
Yes, Gargi, they have issued an advisory. Today they have come out with full page ad in all the local newspapers, Hindi as well as English, and now they are also using their FM channels to alert or just warn people from going out in the field when it starts raining, because the weather department has predicted that next 2 days is going to be, Bihar is going to witness heavy rains across the state. Gargi.
All right, Manish, thanks so much for joining us with those details. So absolutely shocking figures coming out from Bihar. There are 83 people killed in a single day due to lightning.